Hello and welcome back. Okay, now I'm going to show you very quickly the Jean Carl's method. So I'm just going to show you close up because we're doing little drops. Now I only use the drop method when I'm doing the JC and I'm demonstrating the Jean Carl's method to you. So on your formula, on your little workbook for building accords and in the Jean Carl's one, but in the building accords workbook you will see hyacinth and you'll see jasmine. So I have the hyacinth here, and as you can see I've written on the label, it's got a really nice label, and it says heart to base, and the reason is because it's an absolute, and a lot of the times when florals are absolute, because the molecules are quite heavy, depending on your composition, it can be a heart to an actual base note. So let's get started. We're going to look at your formula, and we've got hyacinth and jasmine. We're using the 2-note accord, remember, for the JC. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop 9 drops in the first one. I have been a really good girl and I've labelled all of my test tubes 1 through to 9. But I'm going to do this quickly because what I don't want to do is do 9 drops of that, then 1 drop of jasmine. So I'm going to go along systematically and I'm going to do jasmine. And for me, in my mind, it just makes more sense and I think it's easier and more systematic. But you need to remember which test tube you put it in. Okay, you ready? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the thing is with these pipettes, you just need to be really, really careful when you squeeze it. Don't squeeze it too hard and you will get the gist of it. Practice just with some plain alcohol first to get used to using the pipettes, because otherwise, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to be wasting materials practicing using your pipettes, and we don't want to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. There we go. Now, just in case we might want to use that in a minute or two, I'm going to leave the bottle there, remember, so we don't want to keep wasting pipettes. And I've got the name of the oil on the lid, so even though I've got a couple of lids here, I'm not going to forget what it is. Now we're going to go with jasmine. So it's 1 drop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Perfect. If you make a mistake, do make a note of it. So you see, that took just a few minutes, and that's just doing a 2-note accord using the Jean Carl's method. And what you can do now is, if you have your test tube lids, then put the little lids on your test tubes. They can be a little bit tricky to get on there, but once you get the hang of it, then you can put your lids on your test tubes, give them a little shake. Remember, don't smell it straight from the bottle. Give them all a little shake now. Put the lids on all of them and then wait for maceration and then see what you think. So there you go, a simple way of doing a 2-note accord, and then maybe you'll find your perfect balance in these 9 after maceration. So I'll see you on the other side in the next video.